Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has countered Pakistan's latest water-related scare narrative, calling it a baseless attempt to stir fear over a hypothetical scenario involving the Brahmaputra River. In fact, Mr. Sarma wrote, "Let's dismantle this myth, not with fear, but with facts and national clarity," pointing out that the Brahmaputra is a river that grows in India, not one that shrinks due to upstream control. Now, according to the Chief Minister, China contributes only about 30 to 35% of the river's total flow, primarily from glacial melt and limited rainfall over the Tibetan Plateau. The remaining 65 to 70% of the river's volume is generated within India through monsoon rains and inflows from its numerous tributaries in the northeast. In fact, to break all the details down for you, Ratnadeep Chaudhary had done a detailed report. Listen in.
Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, with a post on X, has hit out at Pakistan. He alleged that Pakistan is now trying to pelt a narrative that since India has put the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance, so what if China also blocks water of Brahmaputra to India? Reacting on it, Mr. Sharma has actually given out some facts, saying that India, although Brahmaputra, which is known as Yalung Sangpo in China, originates from the glaciers inside the Tibet Autonomous Region in China, but it basically, the Chinese part of the river only contributes about 30% of the main river. The river actually grows as it enters into first Arunachal Pradesh, becomes Siang, and then when it comes to Assam, then it meets some other rivers to become the Brahmaputra, and it is inside Assam that the Brahmaputra actually becomes larger. About 65 to 70% of the river is inside Assam, and he also gave out data how the pre-monsoon, monsoonal rain, the torrential rains of the region, particularly in Assam, and that of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya, all this contributes to the rivulets which flows into the Brahmaputra, which contributes to the volume of water. It carries downstream to Lower Assam and onwards to Bangladesh, where it becomes the Jamuna River. So therefore, the Assam Chief Minister clearly giving facts and hitting out at the narrative of Pakistan, saying that it is not dependent upon China, and in fact he goes on to say that if China blocks the water flow in the flood season, even as Assam is witnessing flood, it will actually help in terms of reducing the flood threat. So this is a clear message to Pakistan once again in this social media post by Assam Chief Minister.